Good morning, and welcome back. In today's video, we will be doing a little routine maintenance on our Mustang. I will be showing you how to replace your intake air filter. The filter's purpose is to prevent dust and dirt from getting into the engine. Over time, the filter becomes clogged and needs replacing. A clogged filter will restrict airflow to the engine. First, remove the clips that hold the airbox cover in place. Next, slide the cover toward the front of your car and lift up. Once the cover is out of the way, you can remove the air filter. The filter seems to be in good shape. It will not have to be replaced. Before I put it back into the airbox, I will clean it with the vacuum. If you need a new filter, you should have no problem finding one at the local auto parts store. It looks like the filter has done its job. Do you see all the rubbish at the bottom of the airbox? That would have made its way into the engine. Before the filter is put back into place, let's clean out the airbox with a vacuum. To finish up, put your filter back into the airbox and secure the cover. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Nice work, like it never happened. Make sure to check out some of my other EcoBoost Mustang content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.